It is Saturday. It is December 17th. And tomorrow is Sunday, the 18th. That leaves 1 week until Christmas. Oy, can we stand it? I don't know. All right, we have a few exciting things happening next week. Pay attention to your email. There's going to be an email tomorrow. We're going to do something that's sort of fun, and it's for you. We're calling it sort of a surprise gift under the tree. If you we all shop for ourselves, but if you want to be surprised, but be in charge of shopping for yourself, then all you're going to have to do is go to the website and purchase a surprise mystery bag. And they're in 3 denominations, 75, 100, and 150. Big, bigger, biggest, okay? And with that money, then you tell us, you give us one word to describe what you would like this mystery bag to contain. Now, mind you, the mystery bag will have yarn and a pattern for sure, and it may have additional accoutrement to make the package definitely the value of the money you are spending, okay? So, treat yourself. Think of a word. In other words, if you like a cable project, then say cables. Or if you like Fair Isle, say Fair Isle. Or if you like pink, say pink. If you want mittens, say mittens. Try and give us a hint. Or if you want to just say, I don't know, happy, colorful, yellow, whatever it is, one word. We need one word as motivation and inspiration for what to put in your bag, okay? So that is a super fun surprise. We will have it here in the shop, or we can mail it to you, and you will put it under your tree and be totally surprised by Bella Filati. Whatever you get, unfortunately, will not be returnable. You'll have to either love it or let it go to somebody else. How's that? Like it or list it. Is that what that show is on HDTV? So, like it or list it. There you go. But it'll be fun. So try it if you want something fun under the tree for yourself. Now, I just had to brag on Brooke, our unbelievable knitter extraordinaire and crocheter. She made this adorable hat so she could take it to New York last week when she and her girls went. And it is so cute. It is called Into the Pines. It is a $5 pattern on Ravelry, and she knit it in a day, I'm sure. So we have lots and lots of Rasta. I've showed you all the colors. I have lots and lots of pom-poms and more coming in. So you too can have an Into the Pines hat. I just wanted you to see how cute that was. Last but not least, some individuals, actually local moms or local women got together when we lost our power, and they decided that they could do something for all of the merchants in downtown Southern Pines. Pretty incredible. And so they created the Grinch himself, and they've partnered with the Grinch. And the Grinch stopped by the store last Wednesday just to say hi. But they're coming back. So they came, and they have left us, the Grinch has left us this Grinch-style heart and this little note. And tomorrow, starting tomorrow, we're going to hide this heart and note somewhere in the store. And if you're local, come on in. And if you find it, the Grinch has purchased a $25 gift certificate from our store for you to use that day. How about that? Pretty amazing. So that's on Monday. Then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the Grinch's gift is already gone, but Bella Filati will be giving you something, and we will continue to hide the heart. So if you find the heart, then you will get whatever prize or surprise we have planned for you next week. Trying to keep it happy around here and a little excitement. So there you go. We will be closing early on Saturday, Christmas Eve. We will be closing at 2, just FYI, okay? I think that's all I have. That's a lot to think about. Pay attention to the surprise under the tree bag for yourself. Mystery bag, but you get to sort of tell us, kind of guide the mystery, so it's not quite such a mystery. Be so fun. All right, I will see you Monday. Have a great Sunday.